Mm.
Somehow love feels more complete with coffee cups and forms to keep. We're building more than vows and lace. It's trust in every time and place. Through menus, tears, and postage glue, I find my heart returning to you. Not just the yes we said that day, but every quiet, ordinary way. So here we are, no grand parade, just whispered plans and bills we paid. But in this calm and gentle storm, our life begins to take its form. 100 little things we say and do. Step by step, I'm choosing you. One tiny shelter in a crowded street, two shadows dancing our feet. Driven here under the sun, your shoulder brushing into mine. Traffic cold, the city glow. Didn't know how far you go. Coffee steam, boat road, and the trains that barely flow. We were reckless with our time, making rhythms out of rhyme. Colors flashing, sneakers bright, turning gray into something light. From nice to meet you in the rain, to calling out each other's name. Close enough to feel your heartbeat, close enough to start believing. Under one umbrella, we walked out side by side, laughing at the weather. Nowhere left to hide, just a simple shelter in a stormy sky. You and I. Seasons spinning into gray, dreams that kept us wide. Suitcases by the door, from the sidewalk all the way to building something true. Close enough to chase a lightning, close enough to call it timing. Under one umbrella, stepping into blue, running through the weather, me and you. From a passing shower to a wider sky. You and Thunder rolling, let it play. We spin it into our own parade. Wild winds trying to rearrange. We turn the chaos into change. One small shelter. Look at us now. From shared silence to wedding vows. Under one umbrella, hand in hand, walking through whatever we have planned. Not just waiting for the rain to pass us by.